this is Cindy with Create the Heart, and I'm back with an unbelievable Tuesday morning haul. So I am running out of words to describe my Tuesday morning hauls. I have another haul that's actually scheduled for tomorrow. So it's going to be kind of out of order because that's one that I did this weekend and just, wasn't going to post until tomorrow. And this one I wasn't planning on posting until later, but it was just so good that I really wanted to share it in case you guys wanted to run off to Tuesday morning and see if you guys, could get lucky before it's all sold out. And so I have bought multiple copies of every single thing I'm going to show you guys. I only pulled out one to show you guys. But I did because I'm, usually I don't have time to do this, but I'm going to probably be selling a ton of Maggie Home lots because I need to pay for some of my hauling because it's been a little out of control this month. So most of what I got is Maggie Homes. I did get some things that were Cricut paper and some items that were not Maggie Homes, but I couldn't pass up. A lot of great things this week at Tuesday morning. I actually had to put things back because I just couldn't afford it. I spent well over $200. Like I said, I bought multiple copies of everything. And when you see it, you'll see why. So I'm going to start off with these 4 frames. These are from Good Vibes, which I don't believe is Maggie Homes, but it's that Maggie Homes style. And it is Cricut paper. The number for this is 2028508. It's normally $4.99 and it was $1.99. I bought like 5 of these. This is, I believe this is the Chasing Dreams Maggie Homes collection. And when I was looking it up, people were saying it had gold on it, who were selling it for like $8 on eBay. I don't see any gold, but I don't know. But it's washi, and it's $1.99, normally $4.99, and it is 2 rolls of this washi. I thought it was from the Carousel collection. It's from this one. And 271. And then this one is not Maggie Homes, but somehow I got in the mix here. They have these American Crafts planner stickers, really cute. They've got a lot of gold foiling on them. $4.99, $1.99 normally, $4.99, and the number for this is 2000200. Ignore my crazy dog, but super. Donuts and pretzels and unicorns, and it's very cute. So I did get that because I liked it. So back to Maggie Homes. I was super excited to find this, and they had multiples of this, which I purchased. And these are called small sequins, but basically it says 113 embellishments. I believe this is from the Carousel collection. And it's normally $3.99, and it was on sale for $1.99, and it's 2026714, and amazing. This right here, you get 2 of these puffy gold stickers. One says Dream, and one says Love You, and it's $1.99, normally $4.99. The one that I'm keeping is the bent one. And it's 2026713, and I bought like 4 or 5 of these. I saw somebody had some other Maggie Homes that I didn't find. I was a little disappointed that I didn't find that stuff there. But, I mean, considering what I found, I can't believe I felt disappointed. But I did. This is from, I want to say that when I looked this up, this was also a Chasing Dreams collection from Maggie Homes. And it does say stickers, dreams, phrases. It's $1.49, normally $2.99, and the number for this is 2026716, and it has some really great little sentiments. Hello, darling. Love you. Delightful. Remember this. Celebrate each day. Good as gold. Really nice. And then I found these fringe butterflies, and I got a few of these. These are $2.49, normally $4.99, and the number is 2026718, and they're called Fringe Butterflies. Very pretty. They're from the Chasing Dreams collection. And then I got this right here. It's pretty humongous. My camera out a little bit. This is from the Bloom collection. These are some gold foiled stickers. They're considered clear stickers because I guess they're not real. They're kind of have that, I don't know how to explain it, but they're, when you pull them up, they're transparent, more transparent. And it's the Bloom collection. Really cute. $1.49, normally $2.99, 2026703. Super cute. And then I got these buttons, which I was super excited to find because they're just gorgeous. They're in vintage buttons. They're from the Chasing Dreams collection. The number for this is 2026719, $1.99, normally $4.99. I did find quite a few of those. Then this right here is the same sticker sheet that I just showed you. Why do I have, I don't know what I did with that. Okay, then I got the Carousel gold foil paper, 24 sheets. And this is the 6x8 sheet. And I think these newer collections have more than one paper pad. I think there's a foiled one and then a not foiled one, I guess. This is the foiled one. The price for this is $2.99. And I'm going to tell you that I just bought a Carousel paper pad for full price, well, 15% off of $7 at Paper Source. And then not the very next day, 2 days later, I go to Stinkin' Tuesday Morning and they have it. So what the heck? So I paid the full price, which is $6.99. This is $2.99. It's 2026706. Really great deal. And then, oh my gosh, I found a couple of these. I picked up a couple of them because I am going to sell them because I spent a lot of money Tuesday morning. Between my haul tomorrow and this haul today, I spent a lot of money. So I need to make back some of my money. So I did buy some of what you've seen here. And this is a 12x12 Bloom paper pad. It was only $4.99, normally $19.99, and I've seen it for a lot of money on Amazon right now. And it's 2026701, and it's just beautiful. It has the swans and the polka dots and the florals and the gingham. It's really, really beautiful. 48 sheets. Of course, they're single-sided, so something to keep in mind with that. And then they had the Carousel chipboard. And I have chipboard from a couple of the other collections, which I cannot find. They're somewhere in my room. I don't know where I hid them for myself. But these are really cute. 43 chipboard stickers. $2.99, normally $6.49, and the number for this is 2026709. And then, oh my gosh, and I think Bona from Live Love Scrap, I think she hauled this as well. And this one is 36 sheets versus the 48 because you do get glittered paper. And it's funny because the front is glittered as well. Like, if you feel it, it's like all glittered. It's kind of weird. So it's glittered, and so you get a little bit less, I think is why that is. But it's super gorgeous and has those carousel horses and glitter and swans, and it's really, really lovely, including it's got some cut aparts. It's very nice. So $6.99, and the number for this is 2026705. And that's the Maggie Holmes stuff that I got. I also got, this isn't Maggie Holmes, but it goes with that collection really well. And this is a Good Vibes collection from Crate Paper. I'm tired. Crate and Barrel. My God. $1.99, normally $3.99. It's 2028504. And I saw someone hauled the paper pad, or actually they didn't haul it. They did a vlog and it was there and they didn't pick it up. And I was like, what the heck, pick that up. And they didn't pick it up. I wish that my Tuesday morning had it because it looks like a super cute collection and it looks like it goes really well with Maggie Holmes. I'm surprised it's not because it doesn't say Maggie Holmes anywhere on it. But I picked up some of these because I thought they were super cute. And then I did pick this up. They also had the Authentique Imagine collection, which I've had before, which is a carousel collection. I just thought I'm already getting carousel. So I didn't get that collection again, but I did get this one. And this one is called Fabulous. I saw someone called Saucy. They didn't have that. I wish they did because I would have loved that one. But I'm excited to get this one. And this is normally $21.99. It was $5.99, which is really, really good deal. If you find Authentique, don't pass it up because Authentique is super expensive. And the number for this is 2013918. And I did get 2 of these because I might be giving one away. So, Beautiful Night. It's funny because somewhere I was looking at something and I found my, oh, here they are. I was looking at something and I found out that, yeah, I hold these stickers that go with this. So, I was super excited to find the paper pad. And this is American Crafts, and I don't know what's up with American Crafts and single-sided, but they do single-sided. And it's 6x6 paper pad, 36 sheets. It's $197, $5297, $299. Echo Park does 24 sheets, double-sided, so you get 48 sides versus 36. I prefer that, honestly, because sometimes you do something and the other side's white. It's kind of a downer. And I was excited to get this one, which is Spellcast by Pink Paisley. It goes with all the other Spellcast stuff that's been hauled that I'm actually going to be giving away. And that number is 1975295. It's $2.99, normally $6.99. And then I did pick up this, which is the Pebbles sticker sheet, which I really like because even though it's Halloween-esque, because it says Halloween, it's got the witch's hat, it also has a kind of an autumn feel. You've got some pieces in here that you totally could use for fall that doesn't necessarily scream. I mean, some of it does scream Halloween, but you do have some florals and some butterflies and some leaves and some pumpkins that you could use. So that's kind of nice because then you can kind of save those pieces and then use them for your into fall. So I really like this. It's $1.99. It's got some gold. It's pretty. And it's 2029149. So I really like that. Now they had, oh yeah, might as well do this one because this kind of goes with it. So they also, I wish I found the paper pad that went with this, but I think it'd go with Spellcast. This is $1.99 and it's 2029150 and it's the Pebbles. I don't know if I got this or not. I can't remember. If I do have it, then I might put it together and give it away. But I love that. Super cute. It's the little ephemera pieces, little die cuts. So they had a ton of these dies by Desire, and they had Sheena ones, and they just had a lot of dies. And, they were a little bit more than I wanted to pay unless it was something I really thought that I would use. Like, they have a snowman die. It was $4.99. I was like, oh, that's kind of high. So I opted to get this one because I felt like I could use it more, that it wasn't specific to a holiday. I could put different things in the middle. I could cut parts of it out, like if I just wanted certain parts of it. And these sorts of intricate kind of dies tend to be very pricey. This one's normally $19.95, $4.99. The number for this is 2027894. But they had a lot of flower making dies. I mean, they had a lot. And I just, opted not to get it. Something else they had a lot of is Vicky Boughton. They had her paper pad, which was really pretty. They had something that I put back, which I'm still kind of thinking about whether I wanted it or not. They had her watercolor palette set, and they were like the ones where you squeeze out the watercolor versus the little like a tube versus a little square thing. And I was like, oh, I have so much watercolors. I don't use them that much. So I put it back. They had lots of other things from her. They had the little ink pads. They had little sponges. They had paints. Bunch of stuff. So I only got the tag book because I felt like that was probably the most versatile thing. I think I could really use this. You know, I think it's very thin, so you could use it in your planner. You could use it in a scrapbook. You could put it on a tag, decorate the other side of the tag. So I got that. $1.49, 2027058, and I figured that was something I could use. And then, oh, I forgot, I did get these buttons. These are Halloween or fall buttons. They say Halloween, but they're not that Halloween. They're kind of fall. And they're 99 cents, 2029164. And then the last thing that I got was just kind of an afterthought because I so desperately wanted to find Snow and Cocoa there, and I have not been able to find it, but I did find the stamps. It's kind of like when I found the Main Squeeze stamps, but I couldn't find the stinking chipboard. Same thing. $2.99, normally $6.99, 2020116. So that is my haul. I probably got enough. I mean, I think I got like four or five of the carousel 6x8 pads. And then I've got like 5 or 6 bloom and 5 or 6 carousel 12x12s. And then I'm going to be making cute little lots and putting them on eBay to sell to kind of pay for this. Because if I told you how much I spent today, you would probably cry because I almost did. It was a lot. But I am excited about everything. My dog is barking. It's freaking annoying. But I'm going to try and do some more crafting and get some projects done to make it seem a little bit less crazy that I bought all this stuff. Anyway, thank you so much for watching and subscribing. It keeps me motivated to craft and to share what I make. Thank you.